Learn some adverbs of quantity. Les adverbes de quantité. How much, how many. How much, how many. Combien, combien. For example, how much does this dress cost? How much does this dress cost? Combien coûte cette robe? Combien coûte cette robe? How many brothers do you have? How many brothers do you have? Combien de frères as-tu? Combien de frères as-tu? Few, a little, some. Few, a little, some. Un peu, un peu. For example, I'm going to walk a little. I'm going to walk a little. Je vais marcher un peu. Je vais marcher un peu. I want some milk. I want some milk. Je veux un peu de lait. Je veux un peu de lait. A few, some. A few, some. Quelques, quelques. For example, I'm going out with some friends. I'm going out with some friends. Je vais sortir avec quelques amis. Je vais sortir avec quelques amis. Vers, vers, très, très. For example, it will be very hot tomorrow. It will be very hot tomorrow. Il fera très chaud demain. Il fera très chaud demain. Too, too much, too many. Too, too much, too many. Trop, trop. For example, it's too late now. It's too late now. Il est trop tard maintenant. Il est trop tard maintenant. You put too much salt in the soup. You put too much salt in the soup. Tu as mis trop de sel dans la soupe. Tu as mis trop de sel dans la soupe. About, about. Environ, environ. For example, it's about 100 meters away. It's about 100 meters away. C'est environ 100 mètres. C'est environ 100 mètres. About, à peu près. À peu près. For example, I go to bed at about 10 p.m. I go to bed at about 10 p.m. Je me couche à 22 heures à peu près. Je me couche à 22 heures à peu près. Quite enough. Quite enough. Assez. Assez. For example, the weather is quite pleasant. The weather is quite pleasant. Le climat est assez agréable. Le climat est assez agréable. There is enough food for everyone. There is enough food for everyone. Il y a assez de nourriture pour tous. Il y a assez de nourriture pour tous. Enough, enough. Suffisamment, suffisamment. For example, we've walked enough. We've walked enough. Nous avons suffisamment marché. Nous Nous avons suffisamment marché. I have enough money. I have enough money. J'ai suffisamment d'argent. J'ai suffisamment d'argent. Rather. Rather. Plutôt. Plutôt. For example, he is rather talkative today. He is rather talkative today. Il est plutôt bavard aujourd'hui. Il est plutôt bavard aujourd'hui. As much as many. As much as many. Autant. Autant. For example, I still love you as much. I still love you as much. Je t'aime toujours autant. Je t'aime toujours autant. There are as many women as men. There are as many women as men. Il y a autant de femmes que d'hommes. Il y a autant de femmes que d'hommes. Most. Most. La plupart. La plupart. For example, she sleeps most of the time. She sleeps most of the time. Elle dort la plupart du temps. Elle dort la plupart du temps. So much, so many. So much, so many. Tant. Tant. For example, I love you so much. I love you so much. Je t'aime tant. Je t'aime tant. So many years have gone. So many years have gone. Tant d'années ont passé. Tant d'années ont passé. Only. Only. Seulement. Seulement. For example, it's been 2 hours only. It's been 2 hours only. Ça fait seulement 2 heures. Ça fait seulement 2 heures. So much, so many. So much, so many. Tellement. Tellement. For example, he is so handsome. He is so handsome. Il est tellement bon. Il est tellement bon. There are so many things to do. There are so many things to do. Il y a tellement de choses à faire. Il y a tellement de choses à faire. Completely. Completely. Complètement. Complètement. For example, I completely forgot. I completely forgot. J'ai complètement oublié. J'ai complètement oublié. Totally. Totally. Totalement. Totalement. For example, her wound is totally healed. Her wound is totally healed. Sa blessure est totalement guérie. Sa blessure est totalement guérie. A lot, many. A lot, many. Beaucoup. Beaucoup de. For example, she eats a lot. She eats a lot. Elle mange beaucoup. Elle mange beaucoup. He has many problems. He has many problems. Il a beaucoup de problèmes. Il a beaucoup de problèmes. Quite some, quite a few. Quite some, quite a few. Pas mal de, pas mal de. For example, there were quite a few people at the party. There were quite a few people at the party. Il y avait pas mal de gens à la fête. Il y avait pas mal de gens à la fête. Less, fewer. Less, fewer. Moins, moins de. For example, it's less cold today. It's less cold today. Il fait moins froid aujourd'hui. Il fait moins froid aujourd'hui. There are fewer pages in this book. There are fewer pages in this book. Il y a moins de pages dans ce livre. Il y a moins de pages dans ce livre. More, more. Plus, plus. For example, would you like some more? Would you like some more? Est-ce que tu en veux plus? Est-ce que tu en veux plus? You should eat more vegetables. You should eat more vegetables. Tu devrais manger plus de légumes. Tu devrais manger plus de légumes. More, harder. More, harder. Davantage. Davantage. For example, we should walk more. Or we should walk harder. We should walk more. Or we should walk harder. Nous devrions travailler davantage. Nous devrions travailler davantage. He was more successful this time. He was more successful this time. Il a eu davantage de succès cette fois. Il a eu davantage de succès cette fois.